everybody, it's PC World here and welcome back to another video. I'm tired in the morning. Well, it looks like that Captain is... looks like Captain's going to go for a walk later, so... Anyway, the person behind me is just Mothercare. She's smiling in my face right now. Well, yeah, I know. But in the future, when Garmo started to join the British group, I think Garmo will start joining Garmo because... Oh, no. I mean, BT would start joining Garmo now. I think we're a bit tired today, guys, because I think I'm a bit... I didn't know we were tired, but I think we're going to be fine afterwards. I think you're right, PC World. And I think there's actually having, but... I am tired. My God, I think we were feeling tired today, I believe that. Because I'm yawning. Because... Oh my gosh, I can't stop it. Well, I think we're fine now because we were tired today. Sorry, everybody. I think we were feeling tired. Sorry, I don't know why we could have felt tired in the first place, but maybe because I couldn't get up so early this morning because I don't really know when I get up this morning. But yeah, I'll take it, I guess, because that's why we carry on doing that, you know. Yeah, I'll leave you be. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it very well, but I will see you later for local bloomers because it's another one later. So until then, goodbye.